Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are making delicious butter cheese handi. So let's get started. Heat a quarter cup of oil in a pan, add 500 gram of boneless chicken, mix well, then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the chicken changes color. Pour in half cup of milk, cover and cook the chicken on high flame for 5 minutes. Mix everything well, then add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Mix well, then add half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Cook the chicken on high flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Now add half cup of butter, mix everything well, cover and cook the chicken until the butter melts. Once the butter melts, add 1 pack of cream, mix everything well, add 200 gram of cheese, cover and cook on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes. Finally, add 1 small green capsicum, mix everything well, then add 4 green chilies, cover and let it simmer. And there you have it, delicious butter cheese handi just like Harmain Sharfain restaurant. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe our channel for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!